Om Shri Sai Ram. My most humble salutations at the divine lotus feet of my beloved master, Bhagavan Shri Satya Sai Baba. Shri Satya Sai Kalpadruma. Atma Nivedanam. Although formless and beyond all attributes, you have incarnated in human form to uplift mankind. Innumerable distressed souls and seekers of wealth, seekers of knowledge, and realized souls call out to you by various names. You respond to each and every one of them. This humble effort to describe the glory of 108 names out of the innumerable names is placed at thy lotus feet. You are the creator of this animate and inanimate world. You are the one worthy of worship and the Guru of Gurus. In all the three worlds, there is none as unparalleled and brilliant as you. Om Shri Satya Sai Rama Manasa Puja Stotram. Sampujya Sai Gananatha Madho Sri Sai Te Manasa Pujanasya Sankalpya Shuddham Manasa Vidhanam Karomi Tat Svikuru Sai Deva. Having first worshipped Sai Ganesh, I desire to offer to thee the perfect mode of mental worship through my purified mind. Please accept it, O God, Shri Sai. Ahooya chatva hridayasane me prakshalitava srijalena padau arghyam tava premarasena tubhyam panchamritam panchamamendriyani. I invite thee to the seat of my heart and wash both thy feet with the water of my eyes. The auspicious offering, Arghya, to thee is the ambrosia of thy love, and my five senses make the fivefold nectar, Panchamrita. Buddhau stitam satvika bhavatoyam shraddha supatre cha tavabhisheke snanam samantram prabhu sai rama Shri Satya Sai Isha Namo Namaste. The virtuous tendencies that are present in my intellect form the water in the receptacle of faith for thy holy bath. Thy bath will be the mantra recital as, O Sai, obeisance to thee, obeisance. Suchandanam te mama namrataiva nishta akshataha kunkuma ranjitascha me deha patre tulasi cha bilva etani tubhyam manasarpayami. The sandalwood paste for thee is only my humility. Firm adherence forms the holy grains of rice which are colored red with vermilion, and I also offer my body to thee as the two leaves tulasi and bilva. Seva shamha prema damascha shantir dharmascha satyam cha nitanta bhaktihi kayena vacha manasapya himsa pushpani chaitani susanchitani. Service, control of the senses and the mind, love, peace, righteousness, truth, intense devotion, and non-violence through body, speech, mind. These are the 9 flowers gathered for thy worship. Swachitta hastena manogunaischa tairgumfitam manasa vaijayantim apadakantham vanamalikam te Sri Satya Sai Isha samarpayami. With these 9 flowers, the mental garland reaching up to thy feet is strung by my thoughts with my mind as the thread. This garland reaching from the neck to the feet I offer to thee, O Lord Shri Satya Sai. Sadvasana meva sugandhi dupam prajvalya deepam suvichara rupam naivedyamekam mama karma pakaha phalam cha shuddham hridayam tvadaryam. Having lit the fragrant incense in the form of good desires and the lamp in the form of good thoughts, I offer to thee the results of my actions and the fruit of my purified heart as the Naivedyam or the offering to God. ताम्बूलमप्यन्तरभावसिद्धं कर्पूरात्मास्तवनं प्रदीप्य तव आरतिं भक्तियुता करोमि प्रदक्षिणां च शिरसा प्रणामम्. Even the betel nut and the betel leaf to be chewed after food are ready in the form of my inner emotions. I light the camphor in the form of my ego and with heartfelt devotion perform the arati, the waving of the sacred camphor light, followed by circumambulation, pradakshina. I bow down and put my head on thy feet. Maya alpamatya krita pujanesmin दोषांश्च साई भगवन् क्षमस्व लोकाः समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु मे प्रार्थनैषा तव पादपद्मे. O Lord Sai, I have performed this worship with my limited knowledge. Please forgive me for any errors I may have committed in this worship. May all people be happy, is my prayer at thy divine lotus feet. Jai Sai Ram.